Okay, so I'm in the car on my way to Xochimilco with my Uber driver, Rafael. Hola, Rafael.
Hi.
And he's going to take me down to Xochimilco, and as promised, we're going to take a look and see how it is. Right now we're in La Condesa, so it is beautiful, beautiful day. I'd say very warm, unlike it was a couple of weeks ago. Give you a little view of La Condesa as we go through it. Loads and loads of little cafes, places to eat. Really nice and quiet, beautiful upscale neighborhood. We were supposed to stay at the Grand Hotel when we came out of Zipolite, but there was political unrest and we couldn't get there. For 3 hours, the traffic was so bad we could not get to the Grand Hotel, so we decided to turn around and we went back to Flow Suite in La Condesa, and it turns out to be a good choice.
Listo, señor.
Okay, amigo. Gracias.
Cuídense mucho.
We have arrived here at Xochimilco, and just, well, not we, me, because Jeannie's back at the hotel nursing her back. She kind of threw it out, and we want to make sure it's good for the next leg of our next destination. So she's not with us on this one, but as I promised, we are here. So let's go take a look and see what we see. Just over to the Mini 12 and the gimbal because there's no wind out here, and this will be a nice time to actually take a little stroll and show you all these beautiful, colorful boats here. I am absolutely not sure which way to go, so we're just gonna kind of wing it. Maybe we'll go take a walk this way, see what we see. Amigos.
Amigo, buenos días.
Buenos dias. Each one of these has a different name, and they're all for rent. I believe it's something like, I don't know, maybe 600 pesos an hour, something like that. I don't think I'm gonna take the boat ride because Jeannie's not with me, but I just wanted to take you through this area and show you because I was definitely interested in this. There's no lack of boats. Here you go, 500 pesos per hour. No shortage of things to buy as well. You want a Xochimilco t-shirt? They got that.
Xochimilco, playera.
So yeah, see?
Estos de tequila.
No, hoy no. They're going. Oh, I see, boat to boat, all the way to the end. All right, let's take a quick look over here, and then we're going to go the other direction. New York Yankees. Right on. You're hungry? You can get a snack here. You see what she's cooking? Yum, yum. Okay. We're going to walk back and go the other direction. He got shy for a second. I think he sees a fish.
Hola, buenos días.
Buenos días, amigo.
¿Vas a la trajinera al paseo?
And these are the poles they use to push the boats, right there.
Salud, salud, salud.
Salud, amigos.
Salud. Salud.
Salute.
Salud.
Okay. This photo here, over here, looks like it's fully prepped, ready to go.
Aquí, amigo.
Okay, that's where we came in. So let's go this way and see what's what. I don't got any food. And as you can see, there's definitely no shortage of boats here. The band's all here. let's take a walk this way and see where it goes. Guess these smaller boats sell things to the people who are on these little tour boats, let's call them. Traveling musicians.
Solo va a querer estar automóvil.
Buenas tardes, caballero, bienvenido.
Y eso que le echó, ¿verdad? Sí, le echó Pero quedó mal. Esto acá que paparon tantito.
Si gusta, le damos buen precio para ya no pasar en trasera.
No, hoy no, gracias. No tour. And that pretty much wraps it up for the Xochimilco tour. And I'm Now in the Uber and heading back to Flow Suites in La Cadessa. Hope you enjoyed it.